Price: 3,400 reals to 4,600 reals. Display: 6.9-inch Dynamic AMOLED, 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. Processor: Snapdragon 8 Elite. Memory: 12GB RAM. Storage: 56GB, 512GB, or 1TB storage options. Cameras: rear camera, 200MP main wide, 50MP ultra wide, 10MP telephoto. Front camera, 12MP. Battery: 4,855 mAh with fast charging up to 45 watts. Wireless charging. Reverse wireless charging. Build and design: IP68 water dust resistance, ultra-thin bezel, titanium frame, lighter than previous Ultra models. Software: Android with latest One UI and Galaxy AI features. Other features: built-in S Pen, stereo speakers, ultrasonic under-display fingerprint sensor. Summary: the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra comes with a massive 6.9-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X display, Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, 12GB RAM, up to 1TB storage, and a 200MP quad camera setup. With a powerful 4,855 mAh battery, 45-watt fast charging, and built-in S Pen, this is Samsung's ultimate flagship for 2025. In Saudi Arabia, the price starts around SAR 3,499 to SAR 4,399, depending on the variant. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more mobile updates, reviews, and specifications.